Welcome to Groomers, a cemetery restoration, beautification, and maintenance company. Our services include full cemetery restoration, maintenance, beautification, and individual grave care services. Marble cleaning and polishing. Marble statue, detailed cleaning. Granite, cleaning and polishing. When it comes to bronze, we don't just clean the marker, we restore them to their original condition. Our bronze restoration technique allows us to restore your bronze right in your cemetery. Flat marker maintenance, cleaning, polishing, trimming, and leveling. Engraving highlight. Full cemetery restoration, new foundations, and monument leveling. Depending on your cemetery project, we can remove the entire old foundation and replace it with a new, more durable foundation. Where permitted, we provide flower planting in urns and pots. Flower bouquets for any occasion. Full cemetery grass cutting, trimming, landscaping, and maintenance. Our crews are professional, knowledgeable, and pay close attention to every detail. And our holiday wreaths are very popular in the wintertime. Thank you for watching. We are looking forward to working with you very soon.